BabyTales.
Hello, kitty fans and creative minds. Welcome back to our artistic corner. Today, we have a perfectly delightful project in store as we draw and color the beloved Hello Kitty. Let's begin by drawing the iconic head of Hello Kitty. Create a large oval shape in the center of your paper. This will be the foundation of our adorable feline friend. Extend 2 small ears on either side of the head. Now, let's give Hello Kitty her signature bow, a simple yet charming bow right on top of her head. It's one of the things that makes her instantly recognizable. Time to bring our character to life. Draw 2 large eyes in the center of the head and a cute little nose beneath. And now, the most delightful part: coloring. Choose your favorite shades for Hello Kitty's fur, her bow, and facial features. Feel free to get creative with different colors to personalize your Hello Kitty. And there you have it, a charming Hello Kitty ready to add a touch of sweetness to your artistic collection. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials and creative adventures. Until next time, may your days be filled with the adorable charm of Hello Kitty.